Volkswagen Commercial Vehicles released a small selection of sketches of the Amarok back in January, and now we get a couple more showing the pickup truck from the side and rear. This still isn't the final form of the long-teased, long-awaited truck. VW calls these near-production sketches offering a clear front-to-back look of the Amarok. We already know that the new truck will be a tad bigger than the outgoing model. It will also pack a V6 TDI engine, and with Ford's T6 platform underneath, it could feature turbocharged 4-cylinder power for different markets. Along with the new sketches, the latest teaser promises a host of driver assist tech that VW says is new to the midsize truck segment, though details on those features are left to the imagination.